Okay, we are about to unbox the screwdriver and bit set from Canadian Tire. 80 pieces that was on sale for $19. We're just about to open this. Hope everyone's excited.
Oh,
do not eat this.
That's the box.
It comes in its own bag, and a large screwdriver of sorts came out with it. Not quite sure.
Oh, it's like in a purse.
What this is.
It's a pry bar or something.
Another one, again. Do not eat. Oh, it's opening. That's exciting. Whoa. There we go. Here it is.
Here we are.
That is a lot of screwdrivers.
This is the one we need. Right there.
Wow. This is exciting.
Ready?
We're gonna pull this out. We're gonna let them all fly. Look at that. Here we are.
Chinese.
Blue ones, yellow ones, red ones, green ones. Each individually wrapped in a protective condom. I don't know what that is. Very cool. I'm sure I'll use it someday.
Oh.
Look. Wait. They went everywhere. Bits everywhere. Little bits. But yes, they are bits. Bits.
That's a big one.
Oh, she likes the big ones. Here we go. And that's it, folks.